If you're thinking about selling your home on Long Island, there is a question that comes up very often, and that is, should I grieve my property taxes before I sell? And if you've lived buyers pay attention to them, lenders pay attention to them, and factoring them into monthly payments. And it can absolutely be something that influences how attractive your home looks compared to others on the market. So in this video today, I'm going to be walking you through whether grieving your taxes before selling is actually something that makes sense, or is it worth the effort? So first, let's quickly explain what grieving property taxes actually means. And when you grieve your taxes, basically you're challenging the assessed value of your property with the town or the county that you're in. So if the municipality agrees that your home has been assessed too high, they may reduce your assessment, which can lower your property taxes going forward. So on Long Island, many homeowners go through this process relatively regularly, especially in Nassau and Suffolk, because, tax assessments can sometimes drift away from actual market value. So the big question, is going to be, does grieving your taxes help when you're thinking about selling your home? And the short answer is sometimes, right? Lower property taxes can absolutely make your home more attractive to buyers. When buyers are looking at homes online, they're not just comparing prices. They're looking at monthly costs and taxes as a big part of the equations. So two homes priced at the same level can have very different monthly payments depending on the tax bill. So if your property taxes are noticeably lower than similar homes in the same neighborhood, that can be a real selling point that's overlooked. But there's another side to this that sellers should understand, and that is that tax grievance process does take a little bit of time, right? Depending on the municipality, it can take months for the adjustment to actually show up on the next tax roll. So if you're planning to sell in the near future, there's a chance that the reduced taxes won't even be reflected by the time that the property hits the market. Another thing to consider is how buyers evaluate taxes during the transaction. So some buyers will look at the current tax bill, while others, especially experienced buyers, will estimate what the taxes could be reassessed at after they purchase your property. Okay, so while lower taxes can certainly be something that helps you with marketing your home, they're not really always the deciding factor. And what matters more in most Long Island transactions is still the overall value, the price, the condition of the home, and of course location. So that being said, if you're planning to stay in the home for another year or two before selling, grieving your taxes could still be worthwhile. Lower taxes during that time can save you money personally, and by the time you sell, the new tax amount will already be reflected, which buyers will see anyway. So another situation where it can help is when your taxes are noticeably higher than other homes nearby. So, if buyers start comparing properties and your taxes stand out as unusually high, it can sometimes create a little bit of hesitation. In that case, addressing the taxes ahead of time can remove that concern before it ever becomes a negotiating conversation. So at the end of the day, grieving your taxes before selling isn't always necessary, but it can be helpful depending on your timing and on how your taxes compare to similar homes in the area. The key is understanding how buyers will view the numbers when they're comparing your home to others on the market. So if you're thinking about selling on Long Island and you want to understand how your property taxes might affect your home's value or marketability, it's something definitely worth discussing ahead of time. And of course, if you have any questions about preparing your home for sale, pricing strategy, or what buyers are really paying attention to in today's market, feel free to reach out to me. All of my information is down below. I'd be happy to help you with whatever you're looking to do in Long Island. And I look forward to seeing you all again in the next video. Take care.